Hi guys, Carly Voinski from carlyvoinski.com, and today we're talking about our electrolytes and dehydration and just how important it is to stay hydrated when we are eating a keto, keto-ish, strict keto, lazy keto, whatever kind of version of a keto diet you're eating, you need to stay hydrated because here's what happens. As you start to eat a more ketogenic diet, something really cool will happen. And what's gonna happen that's really cool is that the insulin in your body is gonna start to regulate out more. And as that happens, you're gonna be flushing out a lot of water, but also your kidneys might not be able to hold onto your sodium as much as they did before. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna start to lose and flush out your electrolytes. And when that happens, you get dehydrated, you can get headaches, you can get what they call the keto flu, and there's lots of ways to get around this to make sure that you are fully hydrated and you have your electrolytes. So just wanna share, the first thing, no matter what stage of your keto lifestyle you are on, whether you've been doing keto for a long time, you just started yesterday, or you're thinking about starting next week, the first thing I'm gonna say is you need to drink a ton of water, right? So you need to grab a cute little cup, whatever you need to do, a bottle. This says killing it because when I'm drinking my water, I'm killing it. And you need to fill it up, you need to drink it, fill it up, drink it, fill it up, drink it. You can totally tell when you're getting dehydrated. Is your mouth really dry? You can tell by when you even go to the bathroom, by what's happening there. You can tell, you can get headaches when you're dehydrated. You just feel like more tired because your body doesn't have what it needs. So we want to make sure that we're staying hydrated, and part of that is drinking a ton of water. Now, if you ask me, oh, electrolytes, that makes sense. I'll just grab a Gatorade because when I was a kid in the 90s, they taught me that I should drink Gatorade when I need to get my electrolytes up. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, don't drink Gatorade if you're trying to do keto because it's full of sugar and it's got all sorts of random stuff in it. Why would you want to do that? It's got the food coloring, all of that in it. Just drink water because you can do this by drinking water. So get a cool, awesome bottle, whatever you gotta do for you. They have bottles on Amazon where they actually have measurements like times. It'll be like by 9 a.m. you should be here, by 12 you should be here, by 2 you should be here. Refill it, 4, 6, 9 at night, all those kinds of things. Get some water. It will help you. But now, here's the biggest question, right? What do we do about our electrolytes? And what are our electrolytes? Your electrolytes that you need are sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Now, as these start to lose our body, it does have effects on us and it's not gonna be comfortable. So you wanna make sure that you still have those fully up. So what you can do, sodium, right? You can get sodium through the food that you eat. What do? I make sure, especially keto, I use sea salt. It doesn't have to be pink Himalayan, it can be any sea salt, but I use sea salt on every single thing that I eat. I put it on there, and I have had such a tremendous, great effect when I do that. And if there's a couple days where I feel like I haven't been doing that, I can notice. I use sea salt on everything. You might be thinking, isn't sodium in high amounts bad for you? Okay. Seriously, you're cutting out your carbs, you're cutting out your sugars and all that kind of stuff. The amount of sodium that you're gonna have to be putting on your food to keep your electrolytes is not gonna harm you. It's cool. You want your sodium in your life. The other one is potassium. Now, potassium, personally, I get that through the foods that I eat. You can get that through avocado, broccoli, chicken, salmon. Salmon's awesome because it also has magnesium in it. But so I get my potassium through the foods that I eat. And then magnesium, you can also get through different foods that you eat, or you can even get a supplement like this. So this one is 250 milligrams, and I take one a day. It's actually helpful if you take it at night. It'll help you sleep better, believe it or not. So I would grab a magnesium. What you can also do is they sell on Amazon electrolyte tablets, and it's usually like $8 for, like 100 of them or something. It's insane. They're super cheap, and you can go ahead and grab them, and it has all that stuff in there for you, and you can just take them once a day just like you would with your vitamin and things like that, and you can make sure that your electrolytes are totally in there. It's so important, especially as we're getting into the summertime now, and we're gonna be out, we're gonna be outside, we're gonna be sweating, we're gonna be doing all those things, that we are hydrating and that our electrolytes are up. So we want to make sure, again, hydrate, 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 and part of that means you need to have your electrolytes up in your system, your sodium, your potassium, and your magnesium. So whether you use an electrolyte tablet to help you do that, you use like vitamin supplements, like how I have magnesium here, or if you try to do it all through food, that's okay too. It's more of a challenge, but it is doable. You can totally do it, but you need to just pay attention to it. If you start to get headaches, if you notice that you're really drying out, I notice too, if people that wear contacts, if your eyes start to get really dry, sometimes that's a good sign that you're headed towards being a little dehydrated. So go ahead and get that water in there, whatever you have to do. There are even apps on your phones to help you remember to drink your water. And as you go through your keto lifestyle, whatever brand of keto you're doing, it doesn't matter, but this will help you because it will make you feel better, which I think will just also let you just enjoy the lifestyle change that you're making more, because who's going to enjoy it when they have the keto flu? You're not going to enjoy it when you feel like that, but when you kick out of it and you're feeling great, you're going to love this life. So again, sodium, potassium, magnesium, drink a ton of water. And what else have you guys done? What other foods have you been eating to help you get your electrolytes up? Pop them in the comments below. Like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done that already, and definitely hit the bell so you'll get notified of all new content coming out. And stay hydrated, stay electrolyted up, and enjoy this keto lifestyle that you're on.